Hey guys, so I know I have been MIA for a bit, but I am back. And today I'm doing a mukbang, I think that's what they're called. Because one of my lovely subscribers wanted me to do a mukbang, so I'm going to do that for you. And today I ordered some takeaway because I could not bother to cook. I ordered some takeaway from a place called Bird in the World. That's what it's called. So let's find out what we have here. So, ooh, I hate jealous. In here we have some nachos and some fries. I believe this is guacamole. And these are like some little salad things with some jalapenos. That looks really good. That actually looks really good, you know. And then here I have the burger. I paid £13 for this, so it better be good. Because if it's not, they're gonna get it. And I got my cousin one as well, so she's sat here. And she's about to munch, so I'm addicted to Coke, so Coca-Cola. So I'm just gonna pour some in my glass. I'm addicted to Coke. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough. Can you guys hear that? Oh my God. So, before I get into it, I'm going to show you guys a close-up of what the food looks like.